Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all good. Today I am discussing Animal Kingdom, class 11, chapter number 4, NCERT exercise questions and answers, part 2, which is really very helpful for your board exam. So please watching till the end of my video. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my lovely students, are you ready to crack your board exam? So let's get started. Question number 8 is, what vascular system is the characteristics of which group of the following? Porifera, Ctenophora, Echinodermata and Chordata. So water vascular system is a characteristic features of the phylum Echinodermata. The water vascular system helps in the various functions like locomotion, capturing of food, respiration, etc. Thus, the correct answer is option C. Question number 9 is, all vertebrates are chordates but all chordates are non-vertebrates. So justify the statement. The characteristics features of the phylum Chordata includes the presence of a notochord and paired pharyngeal gill slits. In subphylum vertebrate, the notochord present in embryos gets replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in adults. But in cephalochordates, notochord persists throughout life as such, and in urochordates, the notochord is present only in the larval stages and absent in adults. Thus, it can be said that all vertebrates are chordates but all chordates are not vertebrates. Question number 10 is, how important is the presence of air bladder in feces? So, air bladder in feces regulates and helps in floating in the water. It prevents them from sinking. So, air bladder is present in membranes of the class osteoclites, and animals of the class chondrocytes don't have air bladder, and in the absence of air bladder, the animals have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Number 11 is, what are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them fly? So, modifications in birds to help them fly are as follows. The bones of birds are pneumatic. This contains air cavities, making the bones light, and this feature helps the birds in flying. The body of the birds is streamlined, offering least resistance while flying. Flight muscles are well developed. Forelimbs of birds are modified into wings to allow flying, and hind limbs are used for walking. So additional air sacs are present to supplement respiration. Question number 12 is, could the number of eggs or young ones produced by an oviparous and viviparous mother be equal, and why? So the number of eggs or young ones produced by an oviparous or viviparous mother could not be equal, you know that very well. An oviparous mother gives rise to more number of eggs as some of them die during hatching, and as they have to pass through a large number of developmental stages before becoming an adult. So on the other hand, a viviparous mother gives rise to fewer number of young ones because there are less chances of their death. Moreover, they did not have to pass through any larval stages. Question number 13 is, segmentation in the body is first observed in which of the following? Platyhelminthes, Aschelhelminthes, Annelida and Arthropoda. So the body segmentation first appeared in the phylum Annelida annulus, meaning little ring. So the fundamental characteristics of the phylum Annelida is the division of the body into a linear series of cylindrical segments or metameres. Question number 14 is match the following, column 1 and column 2. So here is the solution. Question number 15 is prepare a list of some animals that are found parasitic on human beings. So some animals that are found parasitic in human beings are as follows. Tinea solium is the tapeworm, Platyhelminthes. Ascaris lumbricoides is the roundworm, Ascahelminthes. Wucheria branchocti is the filaria worm, Ascahelminthes. Ancocyclotoma hookworm is the Ascahelminthes. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notification. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.